everyone, and welcome to my new channel. My name is Susan. Thank you so much for joining me today. And I have to tell you, I have two passions. One is beauty, one is cooking. So I've loved beauty for such a long time. And I consider myself a beauty obsessed junkie. I love to buy makeup. I love to test out new products. I love to play with makeup. So much so that I left my full-time job and went to beauty school to become a professional makeup artist. So I've done some freelance and now I'm working in beauty retail. And so there's going to be some great content that you're going to see on my channel. Things like get ready with me and tutorials, product reviews, beauty subscription unboxings, shop my stash, declutter and organization videos, and monthly favorites, but I also have some great new series coming along I think you're going to really enjoy. Now, as I said, I also love cooking. And one of the things I love the most about cooking is the prep work ahead of time, the chopping of the vegetables and the herbs and setting all your ingredients out. And I find that so therapeutic. I absolutely love that part of cooking. So you're going to see some great recipes on this channel. You're going to see some original recipes that I created. You're also going to see me take some established recipes and tweak them a little bit. You're also going to see some Trader Joe's hauls because I love Trader Joe's. So much so that I go at least once a week and I just like to go, take my time, go up and down the aisle, see what's new, and inevitably I fill my basket. But I have to say there's not one thing I've tried that I haven't liked from Trader Joe's. You're also going to see some Costco hauls. And also, I've been considering getting a membership to Thrive Market because I hear they have some great quality products there, organic products, healthy products and snacks. So lots of great content you can look forward to seeing on my channel. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the bell notification to be notified of all my future uploads. Thank you so much again for joining me today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.